Today I will share with you how to set up your meeting for conferences. So the first thing you will do is go to clever.com and then you will log in as a teacher or staff, and they prompt you to log in with the Active Directory, which you would then click on, and you will find your home screen. Like in the settings video I had made, your Zoom may be here if you favorited it, or you can search it up here at the top, type in Zoom, and click there. The first thing you are going to want to do is to make sure that your setting for the waiting room is correctly in place. So you will go to this left-hand side, Settings, and once you're in here, you have Waiting Room Options. It's your second piece, and you will do Customize Waiting Room. So here you can put in a picture if you click on that plus sign, you can put in your Bitmoji or a picture of a classroom, whatever you want for your picture, and then add waiting room description. So here you might say, please think of any questions you may have about your child's day at, and then whatever school you are at. And you will click the check mark, and that will then be your waiting room message. I'm going to X out of there. Then you will come up here to schedule a meeting. So in here you are going to see all of the meetings that I have scheduled will show up, but we are going to name this Conferences. Ooh. All right, Conferences. And then if you want a description, you can do that. So I am going to change the date to November 5th. You are only setting up one link for all of your conferences. There is a misconception that you have to have it for the exact date and time, which is not true. As long as you access this link, you are the only one who can open this meeting. Otherwise, if somebody accesses it tonight, they'll just be put in the waiting room until you would let them into your meeting. So you will set one meeting for the entire time, and you'll just open that meeting when you need to. That way parents are in the waiting room and you can let them in at their scheduled time. So it doesn't matter the time or the duration of the meeting, but you will come down here, make sure that waiting room is checked and passcode is turned off. Then you will click Save and you will have that meeting. So once you have that meeting, there's an invite link. The copy invitation is super long, so I would suggest just copying this link. So in the Zoom presentation, you will see parent instructions for Zooming. So what I would do is I would copy and paste and then put a new message, conferences. I would then copy and paste, put in my name, Mrs. Dykes, and then go back to my meeting, copy and paste that meeting link. So I'm going to go Control-C, and then highlight Zoom link, and then I'm going to go Control-K, Control-V. That way that Zoom link is there and parents just need to click on this to access that meeting. If you have any questions, please let me know, and then when you have this meeting, you can start this meeting from here, or it will be on your meeting homepage as well. So under My Meetings. Like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to your technology coach.